first look at the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox, you instantly notice how much more confident and athletic it feels compared to earlier versions. The body is sculpted with sharper lines, a bold front grille, and a stance that makes it look more like a premium compact SUV than ever before. Different trims offer their own personalities. The RS brings a sportier vibe with dark accents and a more aggressive fascia, while the Active trim adds rugged styling, distinctive wheels, and even an available two-tone roof that gives it an adventurous edge inside. The Equinox takes a modern leap forward with its new technology layout. The centerpiece is a wide 11.3-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything is smooth, intuitive, and built around convenience. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster that presents navigation, vehicle data, and driver assist alerts in a clean, crisp layout. Higher trims offer ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and upgraded materials that give the cabin a surprisingly refined feel for this segment. Practicality is one of the Equinox's strengths. It offers plenty of cabin room for both front and rear passengers. With the back seats folded down, you get up to about 63.5 cubic feet of cargo space. There's also hidden underfloor storage in the trunk, giving you extra room for valuables or smaller items you want out of sight. Smart touches like a hands-free power liftgate and multiple USB-C ports make everyday life easier. Under the hood, the 2026 Equinox uses a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces around 175 horsepower. Front-wheel drive models come with a smooth CVT, while all-wheel drive versions use an 8-speed automatic transmission. The AWD setup also delivers a bit more torque, giving the SUV better grip and responsiveness in demanding conditions. It's not a performance machine, but it's tuned for comfort and everyday reliability. Acceleration is modest, but the ride feels controlled, quiet, and nicely balanced for city roads, long trips, and everything in between. Fuel economy is solid, with front-wheel drive models offering around 26 mpg in the city and close to 28 on the highway, while AWD versions deliver slightly different numbers but still stay competitive in the compact SUV class. The available Drive Mode Selector lets you switch between normal, sport, snow, and AWD modes depending on your driving environment, giving the car a surprisingly adaptable personality. Safety is where Chevrolet pushes hard. The Equinox comes standard with a strong driver assistance suite that includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision alerts, and automatic high beam. Optional upgrades include adaptive cruise control, HD surround vision that gives you a 360-degree camera view, rear cross-traffic braking, reverse automatic braking, blind zone steering assist, intersection, emergency braking, and even alerts for side cyclists. These systems work quietly in the background to make daily driving easier and more secure. Inside the cabin, usability is excellent. The redesigned dashboard feels uncluttered, the seats offer good support, and storage spaces are cleverly distributed throughout the interior. There's remote start, a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot on higher trims, and the latest voice control system that lets you access navigation or make calls without taking your eyes off the road. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Equinox starts at a competitive point for its segment, giving buyers strong value for the amount of technology and safety features included. Upper trims like the RS and the CT-IV cost more but bring notable upgrades in both style and capability, letting buyers choose a version that best fits their personality or lifestyle. The Equinox isn't without its drawbacks. The 1.5-liter engine won't satisfy drivers looking for fast acceleration, and it doesn't offer a hybrid or electric powertrain in this lineup, which some competitors are starting to offer. But for most everyday drivers, the engine delivers a smooth, predictable driving experience and enough power for daily commuting. What makes the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox stand out is its combination of modern tech, improved design, strong safety features, and everyday practicality. It's the type of SUV built for families, commuters, and anyone wanting an easy-to-live with vehicle that still feels current and upscale. The styling is sharper, the technology is smarter, and the overall experience is more refined than ever before, making it a strong choice in the compact SUV market.